The second part of the song is the verses or the stanzas. Verses are more extensive in message, giving more emphasis and detail about the message that you deliver through singing. Verses can be more than just one. In some cases, the entire song is purely composed of the stanzas. For example, in this hymn, and can it be that I should gain an interest in thy Savior's blood? Died he for me. Now all the parts are stanzas. There is nothing like the chorus. Now let's look at the third part. In the structure of most songs is the chorus. The chorus usually carries the theme of the song and is relevantly repeated in the song's progression. Chorus is developed from the word choir, meaning that two or more people should be involved in singing that part to form a harmonic melody. Therefore, it is mostly characterized by a simple tune or melody line, simple words and pronunciations, simple rhythms, so that more people can participate. Note below, the chorus part can still be performed by a single person, and that doesn't change the name of that part in essence. Choruses can be placed before and or after every stanza, after interludes, bridges, or tags. Choruses can also be sung as intros or outros. The fourth part of the song is the interlude. It's a place of vocal rest in the progression of the song. In this place, sometimes the human vocals are restrained in energy. In most cases, vocals are completely switched off, giving musical instruments room to express the message for you, thereby forming an instrumental interlude. The interlude usually features some lead solo instruments such as the piano, saxophone, lead guitars, flutes, drums, and the bass guitar, as is in the case of Blessing and Honor by Ron. This creates variation in the music, thereby dealing with the monotony of too much vocals in the song. For example, listen to these three illustrations of interlude taken off some of my music albums, Treasure, Love in Essence, and The Reason I Live. Here goes the 1040 window. Going out to all the world and preaching out the gospel of the kingdom of God to the lost souls. The fifth part is the bridge. The bridge is a short interval that connects two major parts of a song, like this. Don't take too long. I know that you're gonna be right here on time. Don't take too long. I know that you're gonna be right here on time. I didn't know why you took so long. You took so long, oh, I didn't know that you would take so long. Yeah, you took so long. That short section, silent between the chorus and the verse, was a bridge. Sometimes we call it a break. A bridge can connect the chorus to chorus, chorus to verse, verse to chorus, introduction to the verse, chorus to interlude, tag to verse, etc. Now, the other part of the song is the tag, and it's that segment of a song that should sound differently from the general flow of the music, generating a dramatic variation in the song's progression. Thank you for watching. Don't miss the next video where I'll teach you how to create musical tags in your song compositions, presentations, and productions. JaviSounds. Welcome to JaviSounds. I'm Javis MC. Here we guide you so that you discover the power in your musical talent, thereby making you optimal in your performances. Soon you will be enjoying your presentations just like your music icons. The sixth segment of the song is the musical tag. The tag is that segment of the song that should sound differently from the general flow of the music, creating a dramatic variation in the song's progression. For example, changing the tempo of the song. The speed at which a song is performed is its tempo, measured in beats per minute or BPM. You can create a tag in the course of singing by briefly either raising or lowering the tempo of your song to make it faster or slower than the general uniform flow of the song. Other times, changing the chord progression of the music to sound completely differently from the entire song's chord progression can form a tag part in the song. We shall study song progressions in later modules. For example,
And throughout eternity, I'll sing your praises, and forevermore, and I will reign with Jesus our Savior forever.
that part of the song which slowed down was tagged to the song. I connected a very different tempo and the mood. Now, changing the mood itself in a song, for example, from a happy mood to a sad mood and vice versa, can create an impression of a tag in the progression of your song. Like this.